When plastic debris reaches the ocean, it affects a variety of marine organisms. It can impact seabirds, sea turtles, sea lions, and several kinds of fish. It seems that no marine animal is safe from it. As plastic fishing lines, six-pack rings, bags, and nets move through the water, these animals become entangled in them. This entanglement can lead to injury, suffocation, starvation, and sometimes death. These plastics, along with much smaller microplastics, can also be ingested by marine life. These microplastics are created from exposure to sunlight, oxidation, and the movement of waves and currents. Many will mistake this debris for food, and the result of doing so can be detrimental to their health. It can lead to loss of nutrition, internal injury, intestinal blockage, starvation, and even death. Plastic has been found in more than 60% of all seabirds and in 100% of sea turtle species. When these animals swallow plastic, it can reduce their fitness, nutrient uptake, and feeding efficiency, which are all essential for survival. Not only this, but fish in the North Pacific ingest 12,000 to 24,000 tons of plastic each year. Zooplankton can ingest microplastics as well, causing plastic to enter the marine food chain at low trophic levels. As the plastic moves up the food chain, it can reach larger marine organisms, which often mistake it for fish eggs or other food sources. From this point, traces of plastic and the chemicals associated with them eventually reach humans through the ingestion of seafood. Though plastic is often ingested by marine animals, they can also become entangled by it. You may have seen this happen with sea turtles, but it can happen to sea lions as well. Meet SRO. He is a sea lion that was rescued by a team from the Marine Mammal Center. He was given the name SRO in honor of the Special Rescue Operations Team. They found a plastic fishing line wrapped around his neck. In this picture, you can see the line that was taken off of him. The picture on the left shows the wound from the single piece of line. He was eventually released back into the wild after receiving medical attention, as you can see in the picture on the right, but some are not so lucky. Most, if not all, marine wildlife is affected by plastic, either by consumption or entanglement. We must remember that these organisms never asked for us to pollute their homes, and they have certainly never deserved to die because of this. It is on us to make a change, to be better. And change can start small. Decrease your use of single-use plastics, rely on reusable bags, avoid plastic packaging, and participate in local cleanups of the land, rivers, and beaches, such as with the Plastic Ocean Project, or NC Wildlife Federation's Trees for Trash program. But most importantly, be conscious of the things you are buying, using, and throwing away. We have the power to change things on a global scale, but it all starts with you.